Hello viewers, welcome to Technomath Learning again. Here we will discuss the basic concepts of polynomial. For this, we will start with the introduction of polynomial. As you have studied in your previous class, the polynomials in one variable and their degrees. Now, recall that Px is a polynomial. P stand for polynomial, x is variable. It means polynomial of x variable. We can also say it polynomial in x. The highest power of x in Px is called the degree of the polynomial. For example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in the variable x of degree 1. So, before discussing further, first of all, let's recall what the polynomial is. Students, here we will understand about the polynomial. Look at the example. The example is there 4x plus 2. 4x plus 2 is a polynomial. Why it is a polynomial? Because polynomial has terms. That's why it is also called polynomial. Polynomial comes from poly. Poly meaning many, and nomial. Nomial means term. It means many terms. A polynomial is says many terms. A polynomial can have constants like 3, minus 20, okay, or 1 by 2. In the same way, a polynomial can have variables like x and y, st, u. It can have exponents like the 2 in y square. 2, this is called exponent. But only 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are allowed. In the same way, polynomial can have constants, variables, exponents. But never division by a variable. Look at this example, 1 by x minus 1. There is a division by the variable x. Here is also the division by the variable x. So this cannot be in polynomial. That's why expressions like this and this are not polynomials. But look at the example 4x plus 2. This is a polynomial. This is a polynomial because it has constant 2 and it has the coefficient 4. So this is known as polynomial in the variable of x. The highest power of x is there 1. That's why degree 1. In the same way, 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in the variable y. Y is there now. That's why in the variable y of degree 2, because the highest power is 2 there. That's why degree 2. 4x cube minus 4x square plus x minus root 2 is a polynomial in the variable. Look at this, in the variable x of degree 3. Degree 3. Degree is 3 here. Okay. That's why in degree 3. In the same way, 7 u to the power 6 minus 3 by 2 u to the power 4 plus 4 u square plus u minus 8 is a polynomial in the variable u of degree 6. The highest power is here 6. That's why degree 6. Now you have understood about the polynomial. Polynomial can have constants, can have variables, can have exponents, but never division by a variable. If there is an example 5xy square minus 3x plus 5, so this can also be a polynomial. A polynomial has terms. If there is one term, it is monomial. If there are two terms, it is binomial. If there are three terms, it will be known as trinomial. Monomial 3xy square, binomial 5x minus 1, trinomial 3x plus 5 square minus 3. So in this way. Okay. So A polynomial is there that is of one variable and a polynomial has degrees. If there is a variable, if there are their degrees, it means it will be known as polynomial. We have understood about this with the help of so many examples. We have also understood that why some expressions are not polynomial. Now after clearing this, we will look at linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. What it is called? Linear polynomial. If there is degree 1, then it will be known as linear polynomial. 2x minus 3, the power of x is nothing. It means there is 1. So the power of x is 1. That's why it is called degree 1 linear polynomial. The power of x is there 1. The power of y is there 1. The power of x is there 1. In the next example, the power of z is there 1. In the next example, the power of u is there 1. So in all these examples, there are different variables: variable x, variable y, variable z, variable u. So variables are there and their degrees are 1. Their degrees are 1. That's why these are known as linear polynomial. Polynomials such as, look at this, 2x plus 5 minus x square. This can also be written as minus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, the power, the place of power, it means the highest power variable, they can be interplaced, they can be interchanged, but the highest power is there too. That's why this is not linear polynomial. The highest power is 3, not 1. That's why this is not linear polynomial. Okay, now let's look at another topic. The another point is quadratic and cubic polynomial. Quadratic, as it is clear from its name, quadrate means square. Quadrate means square. From the word quadrate, this word has been derived, the word quadratic. Okay, in this polynomial of degree 2, in this there is degree 2 in the polynomial. That's why it will be known as quadratic polynomial. Look at the example: 2x square plus 3x minus 2 by 5. 2 by 5 is constant there. 3x, 3 is the coefficient of x. 2x square, 2 is the coefficient of x square. The variable is there x. The highest power of variable is 2. That's why it is known as quadratic polynomial. In the same way, y square minus 2, the power is there 2. 2 minus x square plus root 3x. This is quadratic polynomial. Okay, this is quadratic polynomial in variable u. The highest power of variable is 2. This is quadratic polynomial in variable v. The highest power of variable v is 2. That's why quadratic polynomial. Here also the power of z is 2. That's why they are the examples of quadratic polynomial. In these examples, the coefficients are real numbers. Real numbers, it means real numbers may be in rational or irrational. They may be in fraction 2 by 3. They may be in irrational root 5. Okay, and they may be in the form under root 3x. In another video, we will discuss about real numbers in detailed way. There you will be able to understand it. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now we have to understand that if we look at the examples, more generally the quadratic polynomial in x is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. The general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. ax plus b. This is known as general form. And here the general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. You can also underline this. This is ax square plus bx plus c. You can also underline this. Okay. Now a, b, c are real numbers, as you have understood it already, where a is equal not 0. In the same way, if a polynomial is of degree 3, then it will be known as quadratic polynomial. It will be known as cubic polynomial. If a polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Some examples of cubic polynomial are there. That is 2 minus x cube. The highest power is there 3. The power is 3. The power is 3. Here in this the power is 3, then 2. Okay. The power is 3. Highest power of variable. That's why these are known as cubic polynomial. In the same way, general form of a cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus t, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and a is equal not 0. So in this video we have discussed about the polynomials, the linear polynomials, the quadratic polynomials and the polynomials of degree 3 cubic polynomial. In the next video we will learn about the zeros of the polynomial and their coefficients, and we will understand about the relationship between the zeros of the polynomials and the coefficient of the polynomials. Okay, and before this you have to complete this, revise these slides once again and understand the topic clearly, and we will meet soon. Till then, bye bye and take care. Thank you, and if you like this channel, subscribe this and share this with your friends. Thank you.